The new series of compact, simple, and versatile Lovato Electric Micro PLCs is called LRK, a great solution for your system control and supervision. First, you need to set the IP address to connect to your computer. On models with a display, press the ESC key with the Micro PLC in stop mode. Enter the netconfig menu to configure the network parameters. Press OK to open the IP address. Here, you'll find the IP address of the Micro PLC, which by default is the same for all LRK PLCs. Press the cell key to change it using the arrow keys. Press OK to confirm. The same goes for the subnet mask. Now, connect the LRK Micro PLC to the PC using a direct Ethernet cable or switch. Open your PC's network settings and assign the PC an IP address of the same subnet as the LRK. For example, 192.168.0.11. Launch the LRXSW software, which can be downloaded for free from the LovatoElectric.com website, and create a new project. Select the corresponding model in the drop-down menu. To connect, click Operation and Link. In the Port menu, select the IP address of your PC's network card that was previously configured. Here you can see the MAC address of the PLCs in the same network with the relevant IP address. Tap Link to finish. Now you are ready to program your LRK series Micro PLC. For the LRK model without a display, the IP address is configured directly from the PC. Select the model in the LRXSW software, then click Operation Link and select the address 192.168.0.3, which is the default for all LRKs. Once online, you can change the IP address of the Micro PLC in the Operation Network Set menu. Check the Write checkbox to write the project to the LRK Micro PLC. Click OK to finish.